How to withdraw from Zengo to bank account. Let's get started. So before you start, here's what you should know. So first, to sell your crypto. So you can do swap to stable coins or choose from many options. Also do the 24 support, standing by, and then they have secure encrypted Wi-Fi. So here's how to sell your crypto in 4 simple steps. So step 1 is on the home screen, tap on more and then the sell button, which is what you can see at your home screen. And then step 2, tap on the upfront provider you prefer to use. Don't forget, you will always have the option to choose to swap your crypto to stable coins as well. And they have different options which might appear based on your current location. And then step 3, you will be automatically directed to our partner providers page to complete the KYC verification process and enter in the amount of crypto you wish to sell. And once completed, the upfront partner will provide you with a wallet address to send your crypto to the complete process. And step 4, you can return to your Zengo app and tap on the send button. Enter the exact amount that you were told to input based on the previous steps, and then paste the wallet address provided by the upfront partner and then send. Make sure you are sending the correct crypto asset to the correct address and ask Zengo for support if you have any questions. And it's that simple. It should take a few hours or 1 to 3 business days before your transactions complete or the money will reach your bank account. And that is how you withdraw from Zengo to your bank account.